Imtiaz Military, Registrar, Foundation University, Islamabad, to take the podium.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I request Lieutenant General Ishfaq Nadeem Ahmed, Hilal Imtiaz Military, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Maadi Petroleum Company Limited, to kindly declare Convocation 2018 open.
I declare the Convocation 2018 open.
Now I invite Mr. Tanveer Arshad for the recitation of the verses of the Holy Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان صدق الله العظيم.
I request Professor Dr. Naseem Akhtar Raja, Director, Foundation University, Rawalpindi Campus, to present the annual campus report.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and very good morning. I'm Professor Dr. Raja Naseem Akhtar, Director, Foundation University, Islamabad, Rawalpindi Campus. Lieutenant General Ishfaq Nadeem Ahmed, Hilal Imtiaz Military, MD and CEO, Maadi Petroleum Company Limited, Major General Changiz Dil Khan, Hilal Imtiaz Military, Rector, Foundation University, Islamabad, Director, FUIC, Deans, HODs, faculty members, distinguished guests, respected parents, graduating students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's my proud privilege and honor to welcome you all to the Foundation University Islamabad Convocation 2018. I'm indeed thankful to the MD and CEO, Maadi Petroleum Company Limited, for gracing the occasion. Sir, we are grateful for your presence, which indeed is a great source of inspiration and encouragement for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, Convocation is an important occasion for all the stakeholders. For graduating students, it's a moment of celebration and a payday, for they reap the fruit of their hard work. For parents, it's a moment of pride to see their wards complete their programs of studies after a long haul. For them, the long-awaited moment has finally arrived to see their child enrobed. For teaching faculty, it's a moment of fulfillment to see their efforts bear fruit. Last but not the least, for the university, it's a moment of delivering the promise. In short, this is a day of happiness and celebration for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to present the campus report, so I would request to bear with me. It seems appropriate that before I present the campus report, I would like to acknowledge the debt the university owes to Fauji Foundation. We could never got where we have without the continuous support and patronage of the foundation. Sir, Foundation University Islamabad Rawalpindi campus offers a wide range of programs in fields of engineering and IT, management sciences, and social sciences, right from bachelor's to doctoral levels. The campus has witnessed a steady growth in the number of students over the past years, which is indicative of the popularity and confidence it has inspired. The key factor responsible for this include our overriding focus on students and our strategic planning. The students are accorded the highest priority, while faculty and administration are in facilitative and supportive role. Currently, the campus has around 4,500 students enrolled in 26 different academic programs. The campus has so far produced over 6,000 graduates, including 43 PhDs. I congratulate you, and I'm proud of your performance, and I have a complete faith in your abilities. I would also offer special congratulations to the award winners and high achievers. A word to the parents, please. Thanks for entrusting your child to us for their education and training. I hope we have lived up to your expectations and we have delivered the promise we make. In the end, I once again thank MD and CEO, Maadi Petroleum Company Limited, the distinguished guests who have spared their valuable times to grace this convocation ceremony. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will present the students for the award of the degree. The students of Doctor of Philosophy in Education, Master of Science in Education, Master of Science in English, Master of Arts in English, Master of Arts in Education, Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication, Bachelor of Computer Arts, please rise. Worthy Rector, FUI, I present to you these graduates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in Education, Master of Science in Education, Master of Science in English, Master of Arts in English, Master of Arts in Education, Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication, and Bachelors of Computer Arts.
By virtue of authority vested in me as the rector of this university, I admit you all to the degrees announced, and in token thereof, I present to you these degrees and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of these degrees.
Congratulations. Please be seated. Worthy Rector, FUI, I request you to award degrees to the graduating students in absentia who have been duly qualified to receive the aforesaid degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the rector of this university, I admit them all in absentia to the degrees to which they are entitled.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
I now request the Registrar, Foundation University, Islamabad, to take the podium.
I now request Lieutenant General Ishfaq Nadeem Ahmed, Halal Imtiaz Military, MD and CEO of Maadi Petroleum Company Limited, to kindly award degrees, medals, and merit certificates.
I request Brigadier Dr. Tanveer Akhtar, Head Department of Psychology and Education, and Dr. Shoaib Ahmed, Head Department of Arts and Media Sciences, to join the dignitaries on the stage. I invite Ms. Asma Mushtaq to come to the dais and announce the names of the graduating students who will receive their degrees, medals, and merit certificates from the Chief Guest.
Doctor of Philosophy in Education, Batch, Spring 2004, Dr. Muhammad Nasir. The title of his dissertation is Analysis of Education Initiatives by the Punjab Government and its role in poverty alleviation. Dr. Muhammad Nasir. Doctorate in Philosophy in Education, Batch 4, 2011. Dr. Hina Noor. The title of her dissertation is Development and Validation of Model of Oral Rehabilitation of Profound Hearing Impaired Children in Punjab, an experimental study. Dr. Hina Noor. Doctor of Philosophy in Education, Batch Spring 2012. Dr. Sumaira Mahmood. The title of her dissertation is Effectiveness of Reciprocal Teaching and Computer-Assisted Instruction versus Traditional Teaching Method. Dr. Sumaira Mahmood. Master of Science in Education, Batch Spring 2015. Nazia. Huna Batul. Nazia Sultana. Muhammad Jawad Ali. Ismail Naz. Zara Parvez Chaudhary. Zaveria Khalid. Sadia Iram. Master of Science in Education, Batch 4, 2015. Anila Khanam. Inaz Ara Haqqani. Neelam Adila Kausar. Master of Arts in Education, batch 2015, Ramshad Javed. Fariha Safdar. Sarfaraz Siddiqui. He is also being awarded a merit certificate. Amna Aqeed. Fiza Jamil. Rabia Sayyed. She is also a proud recipient of a distinction certificate. Huma Nawab Malik. Master of Arts in Education, batch 4 2015, Humaira Sultana. Maria Kiran. Taskin Fatma. Anita Abdul. She's also been awarded a distinction certificate. Sadia Naz Wali. Master of Science in English Literature, batch 4 2013, Abdul Rauf. Kareem Fiaz. Haroon Sarfaraz. Maria Neda. Noman Shehzad. Master of Science in English Linguistics, batch 4 2014, Serish Manzoor. Master of Arts in English, batch Spring 2015, Kiran Aftab. Afia Shehzad. Master of Arts in English, batch Fall 2015, Fatma Zahra. Tehreem Tahir. Anam Zohra. She is also being awarded a merit certificate. Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication, batch Spring 2013, Rabia Kazmi. Vajia Sehgal. Yusra Nisar. Zain Abbas. She is also receiving a merit certificate. Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication, batch Fall 2013, Mukhtar Alauddin. She is a proud recipient of a distinction certificate. Meher Wasim Iqbal. Larif Sohail. Sadam Aman Khan. Hira Khan. Imran Farhad. Mahnoor Rehman. Razi bin Naveed. Zainab Mir. She's also received a merit certificate. Numan Tariq. Kiran Wahid. Nida Saeed. Safa Zahid. Umar Saeed Khan. Bachelor in Computer Arts, Spring 2013.